Hello guys, today I will teach you how to install Phoenix OS Darkmatter 4.7 with dual boot. Let's start the video. At first download this file. Download link in first comment. Open the advanced_Android x86. Click next. Click yes. Select the Darkmatter_XO 4.7 ISO file. Click Other FX. Select the storage which you need. I want to install 16 GB storage, so I will create a disk 25 GB. I have already created disk part. I want to install 16 GB storage, so I click in 16 GB. Then select the folder which you create. Then click Yes. 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 Click Darkmatter. It needs some time to install Darkmatter. Select the first option and click Enter. It needs some time. Click Alt plus F7. And Darkmatter is ready for you. After complete the installation, click Finish. Then go to Desktop and click GRUB to Win. Click Yes. Then click Manage Boot Menu. Delete the Darkmatter. Click Add a new entry. Click Type and select Android. Change the name into Darkmatter. Click a new Android kernel file. Select the kernel file where you install Darkmatter. Then click Apply. Click OK. Click OK. Click Close. Then restart your computer. Click Darkmatter. It needs some time to install Darkmatter. Select the first option and click Enter. It needs some time. Click Alt+F7, and Darkmatter is ready for you.